Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
And in the hire process, the step is always initiation, right? Let's say B, maybe an action step that says review by a chapter, right? And then step C is an approval by manager, okay. Step D is an action, a proposed compensation hire. Who is going to do it? Proposed compensation hire, let's say the compensation partner, right? Let's say the compensation partner is going to do it. And within the proposed compensation hire, business process. Within this is also a business process. So as a sub-process within this proposed competition business process, you have two steps. One is initiation, okay, and B is approval by managers. Manager, or maybe just a manager, right? Just the manager needs to improve the compensation. And then you come out of this process, you go to step B, you go to unloading, right? So two things here. One is the main hire process, and these steps is part of the proposed compensation hire business process. The second, these things, initiation and approval, these two are part of a separate sub-process. Okay, now tell me what will be the sequence of steps that happens. So somebody initiates, right? It goes to the HR partner for action that they're going to review. Let's call the task as review hire. So they are able to review the hire, they make sure that everything looks okay. Then, after the clicks OK, it goes to the manager for approval, right? Then it goes to proposed compensation hire to be done by the compensation partner. After the compensation partner initiates this process, they fill up the details, Saturday details, allowances, etc. Then what happens? Will it go to onboarding, or will it go to approval by manager? That's my question. Okay, the compensation partner is not doing an approval compensation. His partner is doing the proposed compensation hire, right, when they are putting the compensation details, like Saturday allowances, packages, etc. Once they do that, what happens? Initiation, it will go to the approval to the manager, then is able to do the onboarding. Everybody agree with that after the proposed after the compensation partner fills in the compensation details, then what is the next step? Does it go for approval to the manager, or straight away it goes to onboarding? It should go for approval to the manager. Why? Because the hire process has initiated a sub-process, proposed compensation. Hire is our sub-process, and what is the sub-process? It is a separate business process that is triggered from within a business process, correct? So proposed compensation hire is another business process. We have triggered that, and in that business process, we have an approval step, correct? So now the manager. How many times is the manager having to approve the same thing? Twice once after our once at the beginning, like after the H. Our partner did to the view manager approved. Then the competition partner proposed the compensation. Is doing the approval again, correct? So instead of that, can we configure a consolidated approval? Right. Then, if we look at this process, the same person has to do it twice, isn't it so? Instead, if this is a situation, what if? What? If we move, this step will be, remove this, okay, and we go to propose compensation higher, and here we have, let's say, a D2 or a DA step. You remember how we can use this order to insert a step between two existing steps. You see, one is E. So if I want to insert a step between D and E, I will use the order as DA, okay, and in that DA, I will say consolidated approval to be done by the manager. Okay, and I will consolidate this approval as well as any other approval. So now, what happens if I put a consolidated approval task? Within the business process, then, even if my business process triggers a sub-process, this approval will be skipped. We don't need that approval. It will come back to this particular step, because we have consolidated the approvals together, alright. So this one, will not happen, and it will straight away come to this step, which is a consolidated OK. So what will be the steps? Initiation and initiation will happen, then followed by no, yeah, and action. What is that action review? You have to be done by the HR partner. And then what happens? Propose compensation higher. This sub-process is triggered. They do the compensation put in a salary compensation package, etc. etc. Click OK. Moment that you submit. It will not go for manager's approval instead. Yes, it will go, but it is part of the consolidated approval text step. So we are combining the approval in the sub-process with the approval in the period process. Okay, so it is actually done to come to make the process more efficient. So we look at this point. It combines multiple sub-process approvals into a single step. Okay, so that whoever is the approval has to do it only once, or we just try to reduce the number of approvals in an entire business process. Now if for some reason, just one question. Like the business process goes on sequentially, right? Yes, in deep depth, we are having the sub-process and the order A, B comes in for the sub-process, and it is followed by DA, that consolidated approval step. So how would that business process know that a consolidated approval is being followed is coming up? Yes, very good. So when we configure the higher business process, where is the consolidated approval? It is in higher business, in the high process. So once we use the type of action as a type of the state as consolidated, well, it doesn't stop there. It asks you to configure the consolidated approval as well. Okay. So once you do that, it will ask you, okay, which approvals do you want to consolidate? So if you go ahead and say that, yes, I want to configure this one and this one together, so these two approvals are consolidated together, So then one day knows that for this higher business process, I will not take this other. I will not take this approval. I go straight away. I go to the console. You have to configure it. As a different step, as an additional step, I will say right there to configure that, and then what? They don't see, and I need to skip the approval. It would rather go to the console. Okay, thank you.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.